In fact, studying the human mind is very difficult. I knew that the mind was a complex subject. When I started, I said that I do not deal with the mind like experts. They treat the mind with the same complexity, and it becomes more difficult to understand how the mind works. I said that I will start with the simple until I understand the difficult. And I said that because of my previous experiences in life, I said I would make everything myself. The mind is empty and then built with information according to all my experiences in real life. I did not follow any scientific rule. I made everything myself according to an analytical study of all the phenomena occurring in the real world. For a year I did this and that. And brain and neuroscience became simple and understandable to me. All components and physical processes are manufactured. Through my rules, I analyzed everything from the beginning of myself to others. With analysis of inventions, I was analyzing something empty and creating something with it. But I said that the information is transformed into energy and then ultimately in the cells according to this rule. I designed all the ideas myself. I began to capture the energy and analyze what would happen with this energy in the mind. What can nerve cells do? I used high analytical skills. Everything I designed from ideas is considered general talk. But it's true. Don't forget that I designed it in a different way. Change the brainstorming method unless you do it. Because I said that brainstorming occurs, I was able to understand how cells communicate and create communication networks. Communication networks for cells are usually difficult to imagine without seeing the method in the computer. I solved the method myself. However, I drew the shapes and networks of thinking and laid out the method in detail. Everything that I said before is not correct, but only simplifies the study. As a teaching to people in general, it is considered excellent. In general, I started to teach ordinary people. Now I see my abilities and rules, but I designed them very much. It is excellent that I study a subject in depth and can contribute to the change and development of concepts in this science. All I designed were just general rules that would make it easier for me to study the subject. And my method worked. Currently I am studying quickly and easily. People love to read novels and stories. And I just want to discover how this mind works. Everything is interesting. There are many unexplored topics and I am eager to discover the human mind. I am currently studying the details as my theories shift from soft psychology to neuroscience. I aim to speak more precisely and discover this amazing world. In the past, of course, this field was difficult for me. But now everything is simple and understandable because of the rules that I have based myself on. In the field of neuroscience, it is considered imprecise. But it is generally valid. I enjoy experiencing this amazing world of composition. This is not the case with the mind. Its work is often linked to the eye itself, whether at the beginning or the end. So I am also currently curious to study the creativity of the human eye. The mind and the eye are a strange world.